Forex is a scam? Nah. Let me explain to you why Forex is not a scam. The only reason why you will say Forex is a scam is if you are not winning in Forex, and let me tell you why you are not winning. You are not winning because you do not understand the importance of a risk to reward. Let me explain. Let us assume you are the most terrible trader in the world, and you win only 3 trades out of 10 trades taken. If your risk-to-reward ratio is 1 to 3 or 1 to 2, you will still come out profitable. Yes. And that is even if you lose 7 trades and win only 3 trades. If your risk-to-reward is 1 to 3, then you will definitely come out profitable. Let us look at how that is possible. Let us assume you have a $1,000 capital to trade, and you have 10 trades to take. In order to blow this account in 10 trades, you need to risk $100 per trade, isn't it? Okay, so we are assuming that you are the worst trader to ever exist, meaning that you shouldn't lose more than 7 trades out of the 10 trades. If you always lose more than 7 trades out of 10, then you're not a terrible trader. In fact, you have a very good strategy, and anybody who knows you should be your friend so that they can trade the opposite of what you are trading. Please, if you lose 7 trades out of 10 trades, send me a DM. We should be friends. Anyway, let's head back to the lecture. So we are assuming you lose 7 trades, right? If you lose 7 trades with a 1:3 risk to reward, that means you have lost $700. And if you win 3 trades with a 1:3 risk to reward, that means you have won $900. In the end, your profit will be $200. That means your capital will still grow to $1,200 from $1,000. Can you see why even the worst trader in the world can still win in Forex? For those who do not understand the maths behind my calculation, let me break it down for you properly. So you have a $1,000 capital, right? Divide the $1,000 capital into 10 places. That is $100 each. That is for each trade. If you lose 7 trades, that means you have a loss of $700 and you have $300 left. Let's say you win the next 3 trades, but when you win these next 3 trades, you risked $100 to make $300 each. $300 multiplied by 3, that is $900. If we subtract your profits and losses, we will have $900 minus $700, which is $200 profit in the end. So you see why you cannot lose in Forex with a good RR. Now, why do people still lose? People still lose because they have a bad trading psychology. Check our previous videos on trading psychology and you will understand what I mean.